Hello friends, I Gajadhar Singh once again welcomes you all. Friends, today we are going to learn the most important topic, osmosis versus diffusion. So let's see what actually are osmosis. Friends, actually the osmosis is a spontaneous flow of solvent molecule through semi-permeable membrane from a pure solvent to solution. It's a spontaneous flow of water through semi-permeable membrane from solvent to solution. And we can also say that it's a spontaneous flow of water from dilute solution to concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane. Like this, we can define the osmosis. Here you are observing there is a semi-permeable membrane, and in one side pure water is taken, and in second side salt plus water solution is there. And what you observe that after some times when we separate these two by the semi-permeable membrane, then molecules of pure solvent moves toward salt plus water solution. This process is known as osmosis. In another way, we can also say that movement of water from a region having a higher quantity of water to region having lower quantity of water through semi-permeable membrane. What you do that you take the dry badam, almond, and when you add water in this almond nuts, then after some time what you see that it gets swollen because of flow of water through semi-permeable membrane to inside the badam. Okay. Now let's see the difference between diffusion and osmosis. So actually, when we talk about diffusion, then there is no requirement of semi-permeable membrane. And in diffusion, molecules moves from higher concentration to lower concentration region. And here, molecules of both solute and solvent both moves. And when we talk about osmosis, then presence of semi-permeable membrane is compulsory. And it's a movement of solvent from higher water concentration to lower water concentration region. Now, one more thing you should know that in diffusion, solute molecules move from high to low concentration. And in osmosis, solvent molecules move from low to high solute concentration. And in osmosis, there is the requirement of energy in the form of ATP. That's why it's also known as active transport. And in diffusion, there is no requirement of energy. That's why it's known as passive transport. Thank you.